unbalanced three phase system. Three phase system. Okay, today I have discussed corresponding to this one. Unbalanced three phase system. Unbalancing means, what is the meaning of unbalancing? A unbalanced system is due to unbalanced voltage is due to unbalanced voltage source or an unbalanced load. Clear? What is the meaning of this one? There are two possibilities. One thing is source is unbalanced, or second one is load is unbalanced, or both are unbalanced. Okay. Unbalancing load means, suppose that V of A n is equal to Vm sin omega t, okay, and Vbn is equal to Vbn magnitude or change, okay, and Vcn is equal to Vm2 sin omega t plus 120 corresponding, like this one. That is called unbalancing because of magnitude or unbalance, okay, are corresponding to phase or unbalance, okay. Second one, and what is the meaning of unbalancing load? Unbalancing load means, suppose that A star connected here, that is this one given corresponding to this one and this one, okay, that is unbalanced. If load is unbalanced, suppose that is An, that is N, that is Bn, that is Cn. Clear? Corresponding to this one. An, Bn, Cn are not equal, okay, so you can say that is unbalanced load. Clear or not? But most of the question corresponding to one source are balanced and load are unbalanced, or source are unbalanced and load are balanced. That is called unbalancing, okay. So we have discussed corresponding how to tackle the problem like this one, okay. Now suppose that in this condition, 4-wire three-phase system corresponding to this one, that is A, that is C, and that is B, okay. This one is An, this one is Cn, and this one is Bn, okay. Clear or not? Phase current Ia, that is Ib, okay, that is Ic, okay. Now so what about current? That is In, okay. Algebraic sum of current at node N is written as Ia plus Ib plus Ic plus In. This is equal to 0. So In is Ia plus Ib plus Ic. Clear? Minus of, that is minus of Ia plus Ib plus Ic, okay. If these voltages are unbalanced, if this An, Bn, Cn are unbalanced and source is balanced, source is corresponding, suppose that three-phase system are connected here, star connected, okay, then This one is unbalanced, this one is unbalanced, and this one is unbalanced. Due to unbalancing load, what about current? Current is also unbalancing. Okay, so we got IA, IB and IC. If these value is not 0, this value is not 0, that is unbalanced. Unbalanced. Three-phase system. Three-phase system. Clear or not? If IN is equal to 0, suppose that if IA plus IB plus IC is 0, then that is balance. Three-phase, balanced three-phase system. Okay or not? Now same, all procedure follow corresponding to star star, delta star, delta star delta and delta delta. All type problem same as a balance corresponding. Okay, only changes, all magnitude are different. Okay, corresponding to phase voltage or load corresponding voltage. Okay, if load balance, if load voltage load impedance are changed, then load voltages are changed. Same procedure. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? Okay, so first of all, it is clear or not? What about IA? IA is equal to V of AN divided by ZAN, and I of AB is equal to V of BN divided by ZBN. Similarly, I of CN, I of C is equal to VCN divided by C. Sorry, not N, only ZA, ZB, ZC. Okay, very simple. So make it. We have focus on question. Which type of question? Suppose that a question I have taken corresponding to ZA is equal to, suppose that how can solve? ZA is equal to 15 ohm, ZB is equal to 10 plus J 5 ohm, and ZC is equal to 6 minus J 8 ohm. Okay, our motto, calculate the line current and neutral current. This is called neutral current. This one is a neutral current. What is the neutral current? I have discussed in power system. Okay, very simple. What about IN is IA plus IB plus IC, minus of IA plus IB plus IC. Clear or not? Now, so first of all, write the question corresponding A, an unbalanced star load of figure, okay, has balance voltage of 100 volt, and what about phase sequence, that is ACB. Okay, the ACB sequence. Okay, calculate the line current, calculate the line currents and neutral current Okay, clear or not? Our motto, they are connected corresponding to three phase balance. So I know that if phase sequence is ACB, that is A, VA, ACB means A, C, and that is B. Okay, that is A, C, B. 100 at the angle 0. I have already discussed. First of all, with the help of phasor, if phase sequence is ACB means VA, VC, VB. if this one is 100 at the angle 0, then this one right corresponding to this one, that is minus 120, and this one we 100 at the angle minus 240 are written as 100 at the angle plus 120. Very clear? Okay, plus 120 are corresponding to this one minus 240 minus 1. Clear or not? Corresponding to, clear? So V of an, Bn, and that is Cn. Clear? Now after that, clear, what about V of an, V of Bn, V of Cn? After that, next target is, what about Ia? Ia is V of an divided by Za, that is 100 at the angle 0 divided by 15. Okay, divided by 15, that is 8.94 at the angle 0 degree. Clear or not? That is, sorry, 100 divided by 15, that is 6 point something, 6 point something. Okay, 100 divided by 15, we got 6.67 ampere. Now next target, Vb. Ib is written as Bn divided by Zb. What about Bn? 100 at the angle plus 120 divided by Zb. Zb is 10 plus J5, means 100 at the angle plus 120 divided by 10 plus 5J. If this one is written corresponding to 11.18 at the angle 26.56. Okay, now clear or not? If this one is divided corresponding to this one, that we got 8.94 at the angle 120 minus 26.56. So we got 93.44 plus 93.44 ampere. That is Ib. Clear? Now last target, what about IC? What about IC? IC is VCN divided by ZC. VCN is 100 at the angle minus 120 divided by ZC, 6 minus J8. It is written as 6 minus 8J. It is written as, that is 10 at the angle minus 53. 100 10 at the angle minus 53.13. So that is 10 at the angle minus 120 plus 53 point something, that is minus 66.87. Okay, that is IC. Now our last target, what about IC? IN, neutral current is minus IA plus IB plus IC. So we got minus of IA plus IB plus IC is 6.67 at the angle 0 degree plus 8.94 at the angle 93.44 plus 10 at the angle minus 66.87. Okay, we got 6.67 at the angle 0 plus 8.94 at the angle 93.44 plus 10 at the angle minus 66.87. So finally we got, that is 10 point something, that is minus 10.065 at the angle minus 1.55. Okay, Clear or not? So in also written as minus 1, you can, this minus 1 you can written as 1 at the angle plus 180 or 1 at the angle minus 180. Both are same thing. We got same result. Okay. Now so if you use this, means in is equal to 1 at the angle 180 into 10 minus 1 is written like this one, and that is 10.065 at the angle minus 1.55. okay, so it is written as 10.065 at the angle 180 minus 1.55, that is 178.45 ampere. That is in. That is in. And next target, our motto is line current and neutral current. So in star connection, line current and phase current are same. So phase current is line current. So line current is IA, IB, and IC is, IC is this one. After that IN is like this one. So make it. Okay, first of all make it. Very simple. Corresponding to question, all balanced load are given. Okay, unbalanced star load, this is the unbalanced star load, has balance voltage corresponding to 100. okay, and given the phase sequence ACB. So if ACB, then I know that IAN, IBN, and how can determine ICN. After that, very simple, IA, IB and IC, and finally IN is determined corresponding to IA plus IB plus IC. Clear or not? Now I can solve another problem corresponding to star-star connection. Okay, and phase sequence corresponding to ABC. Okay, so first of all make it. Now our motto, determine the three phase supply with the line voltage corresponding to given. Okay, magnitude is given. So what about V of AB? V of AB is 240 at the angle 0, and V of BC, and positive phase. Positive means that is phase sequence V of AB, V of BC, V of CA. So BC is written at 240 at the angle minus 120. Okay, and CA is written as 240 at the angle plus 120 degree. Clear? Now how can solve? Next target, that is V of AB. So IAB, AB current, I of BC current, I of CA. Very simple. Okay, now next target is I of AB. I of AB is V of AB divided by ZAB. Okay, V of AB 240 at the angle 0 degree divided ZAB, that is 25. So we got 240 divided by 50, we got 4.8 at the angle minus 90 degree. Okay, now BC is written as BC, V of BC divided by 30 at the ZBC. Okay, and V of BC is 240 at the angle minus 120, and this one is 30 at the angle 30. So 8 at the angle minus 150 ampere. What about CA? CA divided by Z of CA, 240 at the angle plus 120 divided by 40. Okay, so that is 10 at the angle plus 120. Clear or not? This is the phase current. So phase current like this one. Okay, now next target is total complex power. So you can say that, you can write now the complex power in each phase. The complex power in each phase, that is S of AB. S of AB is written as IAB into ZAB. Clear? If any doubt, I know that I have already what is the meaning of this one? Complex power means V of AB into I of AB conjugate. Okay, what about V of AB? V of AB is also written as Z V and 2 I of AB, and this one conjugate of this one, and this one is also written as mod of. So I have written ZAB. Clear? This one is, as compared to this one, very easy solve. That's why written. Okay. Otherwise you can do this formula use. Okay. Now that is 4.8. This is 4.8 into 4.8 to the whole square into 25. We got 576 J576. Okay. 4.8. This one is a 4. X again 25 to 40 divided by 25. We got 9.8. This is 9.8. Silly mistake. So 9.8 to the whole square like this one into 25. We got 230. So silly mistake, 2304 sometime. Okay, each phase SB and BC. BC is written as same mod of this one into Z of BC. IBC, what about IBC? That is 8 to the whole square into 30 at the angle plus 30. So we got 64 into 3, 192. 192 at the angle 0, at the angle 30 degree. So if this one is converted into 166.27 plus J 9.6. So 8 square into 30. We got this one at the angle 30. Okay, we got first one 16.27. Clear? Sorry. And at the angle, this one is written corresponding this one. Okay, now what about CA? ICA to the whole square into ZCA. Six to the whole square into 40. So 6 square into 40, we got 1440. Clear? Now sum of SAB, SBC, SCA. SAB J2304, BC 162.7 plus J 960 plus 1440. This will be equal to 166.2.7 plus 1440, that is 3102.7, and 2304 plus 960, we got 3 plus J 3264. Clear? And you can also written as 3.1027 plus J 3.264 kVA. This is the final answer. Make it. Calculation mistake always exist. Okay, so this question is make it. After that we focus on another problem. Now clear? This is the question. Okay, now for an unbalanced circuit in figure, find the line currents total complex power absorbed by load. Okay, that is load 1, load 2 and load 3. You can also make, that is capital A, capital B and that is capital C. Clear? And after that total complex power absorbed by load, and after that last one, total complex power, total complex supply by source. Okay, so after that all power are sum. Okay, so first of all determine current. If you determine current, okay, that is IA, IB and IC. There are two possibilities. Apply here with the help of KVL loop analysis, I1 and that is I2. After I1, I2 we got IA, IB. Okay, clear or not? So how can determine? First of all, clear or not? What about relation between I1 and I2? Sorry, IA this will equal to I1, simply direction of, okay, and what about IC? IC this will equal to minus I2. Okay, if in doubt then see direction of IC like this one, direction of I2 like this one, no current here, so so branch current corresponding, this is here, that is IC is the branch current and I2 is the loop current. Okay, no current flow here corresponding to this network. Okay, no outside current. Okay, so no loop, that's why you can show no current corresponding to this portion. Okay, so I2 this will equal to IC minus IC. Clear? So I2 this will equal to, or you can say that IC this will equal to minus I2. Clear? If you determine I2, I1, then we got IA and IC. Now next one, what is the relation between I1, I2 and IB? Direction of IB like this one, I1 direction. Okay, and what about I2? I2 like this one. Okay, I1 here, I2 in the direction of IB, so IB is written as I2 minus I1. Okay, I1 direction is opposite to IB and this one is support to this one. So clear or not? Okay, what about IB? IB this equal to I2 minus I1. Clear? If you have any doubt, then tell me, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that. Clear? So you can say that IB this equal to I2 minus I1. Now next target. So our motto, if you determine I1, I2, then we, okay. Now apply KVL in loop 1. Minus to plus minus 120 at the angle 0 plus J5 at the angle into I1 clear. After that I1 corresponding to here, I2 corresponding to here. If you going on this direction, then I1 minus I2, here I1 minus I2, clear or not? So here I1 minus I2, plus to minus, so plus I1 minus I2. After that plus to minus, plus 120 at the angle minus 120, this is equal to 0. So we got 10 plus J5 I1 minus 10 I2, this is equal to 120 minus 120 at the angle minus 120, clear or not? So this one is written as 207.8 at the angle 30 degree. Okay, 784. Okay, so you can write now simply 10 plus J5 into I1 minus 10 I2, this is equal to 207.84 at the angle plus 30, equation number 1. Now another way, apply KVL in this loop. Minus to plus are plus 10 I1 minus I2 plus 10 I1 minus I2 plus to minus plus 110 at the angle minus 120. Here minus to plus, so minus 120 at the angle plus 120. Okay, and here what about I2? Corresponding to here is I2. So if, but moving on here to here, so minus plus J10, because of this one is also minus direction of minus to plus, so minus plus J10 I2, this is equal to 0. Okay, now 10 I1 plus minus 10 plus J 10 I2, this is equal to 120 at the angle plus 120 minus 120 at the angle minus 120, clear? So we got the answer corresponding to this one is 120 at the angle plus 120 minus 120 at the angle minus 120. We got, and you can say that is 207.84 at the angle 90 degree. Okay, so you can say that 10 I1 plus, if you divide it by 10 or not, don't divide it. Okay, so written as 10 plus J10 into I2, that is equation number 2. Okay, from equation number 1 and equation number 2. from 1 and 2. This one into I1 this is equal to like this one. If I1 this is equal to this I1 this is equal to 207.84 at the angle 90 degree minus of, if multiply here then we got 10, this is plus 10, that is minus j10 into I2. Okay, that is I1 and divided by 10. Divide by 10. If divide by 10 then we got I1 is equal to 2084 at the angle 90 degree plus 1 minus j into I2. Okay, this one is written as 28.784 at the angle 90 degree plus this one is written 1.41 at the angle minus 45 degree into I2. Okay, now this value put equation number 1. Okay, this value put in equation number 1, then 10 plus 5 j clear. So 10 plus 5j, if this one is converted into, that is 11 point something. If this value put here and this one is 11.18 at the angle 26.56 into I1. So what about I1? I1 is like this one. So 20.784 at the angle 90 degree plus 1.41 at the angle minus 45 degree into I2. Okay, minus 10 I2. Okay, if this value put here in equation number 1, then I1 is put I1 like this one and this one is also represent like this one, minus 10 I2, this will equal to 207.84 at the angle plus 30 degree. Okay, after that multiplication of this one into this one. Okay, multiply by 20.784 at the angle 90 degree, we got, that is 232.372 at the angle 116.56. The multiplication of this one into this one is like that. Okay, after that this one is multiplied by this one, so we got 1.41 at the angle minus 45 into 11.18 at the angle 26.56, that is we got 15.776. multiplication of this one into this one at the angle minus 18.44 into I2. And minus, if finally 10 at the angle 0, we got final 7 point something. So finally that is 7.029 at the angle, we got minus 45 degree. Okay, means multiplication of this one into this one and minus 10, we got final like this one into I2. This will be equal to 207.84 at the angle plus 30 degree. Okay, so what about I2? I2 is written as this one minus this one. Okay, 207.84 at the angle 30 degree minus, if this one going to here, then 232.72 at the angle 116.56. we got that is 302.32 at the angle minus 20.106 divided by 7.029 at the angle minus 45. Okay, divided by 7.029, okay, at the angle minus 45, we got that is 43. We got 43.01 at the angle 24 point something, 24.89 or yeah 24.9 ampere. So I2 is, we got I2 is 43.01 at the angle 24.9 ampere. And what about I1? If this value put in equation number I1 in equation number 3, okay, so first of all, what about I1? I1 is 27.84 at the angle 90 plus 1.41 at the angle minus 45, and this one is 43.01 at the angle 24.9. Clear? So we got this one into this one, multiplication of 1.41 at the angle minus 45. Okay, we got that is this one plus this one plus 20.784 at the angle 90 degree, and finally we got that is 56.9 at the angle minus 0.064 I1. Okay, or you can say neglected this one because of that is at the angle 0. Or you can put here. Okay, don't worry, that is 56.09 ampere written or 0.064 ampere. Okay, very simple. Now after that, our next target, that you taken this one is 56.09 only. Okay, at the angle 0 we have considered, because of this value is very tends to very low, that's why calculation point of view very simple. You have considered corresponding to 0, this angle is approach to 0, that's why written as. Okay, so what about IA? So finally what about IA is 56.09 ampere. And what about IC? IC is minus of 43.01, 24.9. Okay, and this one is also written as 1 at the angle 180 and 43.01 at the angle 24.9. Okay, so this one minus, or you can say plus. If you consider minus, then we are written as like this one, or that is 43.01 at the angle 180 minus 43.01, that is minus 136.99. okay, clear or not? That is 24, sorry, 40 180 minus 24.9, that is 55, minus 55 1 ampere. okay, this is IC. clear or not? IA, IC, and next target is IB. what about IB? Put the value very carefully. 43.01 at the angle 29.9 minus 56.09. 0.09, okay, at the angle, sorry, at the angle 0. This one is written as 24.89 at the angle corresponding to 133.32. okay, or you can see that is IB. So IA, IB and IC. corresponding to first question, the line current IA, IB and IC is IA like this one, IB like this one, and IC like this one. clear or not? So now next target is the total complex power absorbed by load. Now total complex power. So first of all, determine complex power absorbed by, first one, the complex power observed, or you can say that correspond observed by load for phase A. First of all, for phase A, okay, you can say that corresponding to this one, SA this equal to AN into, you can say written as AN into IA conjugate, that is IA conjugate. What about AN? AN is written as again ZA into IA conjugate. Conjugate of this one, it is written as mod of A square. So ZA, or you can say the mod A written as mod A to the whole square into ZA. clear or not? Very simple. So what about IA? IA is 56.09 to the whole square, and what about ZA? That is J5. okay, so we got 56.09 to the whole square into 5, that is J 1573.0.44. clear? Now next target for phase B, that is BN into IB conjugate. This one is also written as corresponding to IB mod square into ZB. okay, so what about IB? IB is 24 point, are you 24.89 to the whole square into 10. okay, so 24.89 to the whole square into 10, that is 6195.121. okay, now corresponding to phase C, Cn into IC conjugate. It is written as IC ZC. Okay. What about IC? IC is written as, we got 43, that is 43.01 to the whole square, only magnitude, and that is minus J10. It is written as 43.01 to the whole square into 10, that is 18 minus, first of all written as J, minus J 18498.601. Clear? So our next target is total complex power observed by load. So SL is total complex power observed by load, that is SL. SL is written as SA plus SB plus SC. Okay, so SA is J1573 0.44. What about SB? Simply 6195.121 and minus last one that is minus 18498.061. Okay, so final answer is 6195.121, that is minus of 18498.601 15730.44. we got 27, that is 2768.161. okay, this is the final answer corresponding to load. Okay, clear? So load observed by power. Clear? So first of all make it. Zero one minus okay. So total power observed by load. Clear? Now next target. Our next target is total power supply by source. So first of all, power supplied by source for voltage source 1, voltage source A corresponding to phase A. Okay, that is, you can say that SA is written as minus, because of power supplied, that's why minus to plus, that's why direction of current is minus to plus, that's why it is negative. Okay, this one is AN into IA conjugate. This one is also written as this one. Clear or not? IN is 120 at the angle 0 into IA. What about IA? That is 56.09. So we got 120 120 into 56.09, that is minus 6730.8. Clear? Now now next one, SB minus VBN, this is IB conjugate. VBN is minus 120 at the angle 120. Okay, IB conjugate of IB, it is written as 24.89 at the angle minus 32. Conjugate of IB is, if conjugate of IB written as, that is 89 at the angle minus 1. Clear or not? That's why it is minus. Now 120 at the angle minus 120 into 24.89 at the angle minus 133.32. It is written as like this one. We got minus of 857.28. okay, 9, that is plus J 2861123. So multiply by minus sign, then we got 87.28 minus J 2861.123. Clear? That is SB. Now what about SC? Phase C corresponding, ABC written as VCN into IC conjugate. So this one is also written as 120 at the angle plus 120 into, what about IC? IC is 43.01 at the angle minus 55.1. okay, we got 120 at the angle plus 120 into 43.01 at the angle minus 155.1. okay, so finally we got first one if multiply by minus also, then we got minus 4262.63 and minus plus J 2967.71. okay. Now next target. So total complex power supply by source is SA SB plus SC. SA is minus 6730.8 and SB is plus 857.28 minus J 2861.123 minus 4222.63 plus J 2967.71. So finally we got this one and this one, minus 6730.8 plus 857.28 minus 4222.63. okay, we got like minus 6730.8 plus 857.28, like this one, minus 4222.63, that is 10 point something, minus 10 point something. We got minus 10, 06.15. Okay, after that adding this one and this one, 2967.71 minus 2861.123, that is we got plus J 106.587. Okay, this is the final answer corresponding to this one. Clear? So total complex power supply by source is like this one. Okay, but this, if those SL plus SS means total power supply by source, both sum is 0, then it is true. But here we not get same result. Why? Because of we have take approximate result. This one we have considered 56.09 at the angle 0, but exact value like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, and also some mistake corresponding to calculation point 2, but procedure is same. Okay, if you are right, your answer is right, then sum of SL means sum of all power power observed by load, this will equal to power supply by source. Okay, always equal. Or you can say sum of power supply plus sum of power observed by load is equal to 0 always. Okay, but here we got result this one, and but here corresponding to this one. Okay, so some calculation mistake are always exist corresponding to, because of this is the very difficult problem corresponding to. Okay, as compared to other. That's why most of the exam we have considered taken very not difficult corresponding to value, very consider very low, very few, very easier way में take very easier. Okay, so make it. And also check procedure is same, but sometime you can say that calculation mistake, so make it.